Today involved a bit of behind-the-scenes script work and a LeetCode problem that required some clever counting using modulo arithmetic. Let's dive in. This is day 31 of coding every day until I hit 1K subs. Started off with some quick updates to one of the utility scripts I use for this series. Did some minor updates to the script that helps generate these daily coding videos. It's mostly about keeping the automation smooth for putting these updates together. Nothing major visually, just keeping the tools sharp. Alright, after that quick tweak, I jumped into a LeetCode problem. This one is called Count of Interesting Subarrays. Spoiler alert, I'll show the solution next. The goal is to count subarrays, where the number of elements satisfying a specific modulo condition also meets another modulo condition. Sounds a bit twisty, right? This solution employs a prefix sum approach combined with a hash map, counter. The prefix sum tracks the cumulative count of elements satisfying nums, %modulo, == k. The hash map stores the frequencies of prefix sum remainders modulo. By checking for prefix k plus modulo %modulo in the map, we efficiently find previous prefixes that result in a subarray count CNT, where CNT %modulo == k. This achieves oxygen mononitride time and oxygen mononitride space complexity. And that wraps up day 31. A bit of script maintenance and a fun LeetCode problem involving prefix sums and modulo arithmetic. If you enjoyed this or found it helpful, drop a like and subscribe to follow the journey to 1K subs. Let me know in the comments if you've tackled this problem or have interesting ways to use prefix sums. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can do so over at buymeaboba.com. Link is in the description. See you tomorrow.